Hello friends, welcome back to Ashish classes. Today I'll show you how to calculate standard deviation, variance and mean for group data. So let's start. First we go on mode, then we start stat mode on number 3. As you can see there's a lot of junk, we don't need it. Press AC. Okay, then we can see stat mode is still on. Then we will go on shift, then press 1. As you can see stat mode is there. Then we go on to data, as x is the midpoint of all the value of group data, but there is no frequency shown over here. So what we will do, we will go shift, then press mode. Okay, go down, then press 4 for stat. Saying frequency on or off, we will go for 1, on. X is the midpoint and here's frequency. Now we will enter the data. I'll later show you which problem I have considered for this demonstration. So let's start. Data entry. 950 equal 1050 equal 1150 equal 1250 equal 1350 equal 1450 equal 1550 equal 1650 equal 1750 equal and last 1850 equal. These all are the midpoints of the group data. Then we go on frequency. Okay, first one 4 equal, then 7 equal, then 8 equal, then 10 equal, 12 equal, 17 equal, 13 equal, 10 equal, 9 equal, 7 equal, 2 equal, 1 equal. Okay, so we have filled all the values in this calculator. All the values are saved. Then press AC. To further we will go shift, then go on 1 start mode, then go on 3. As you can see this is summation of x. So for mean value the formula is summation bracket fx by n for group data. This will show you summation of fx. Okay, then press 2. 125000. This value is summation of fx. Okay, we'll later talk about it. Then go on shift, then press 1 again, then go on 4 variance. Now this is the x bar. This is the value of mean of group data. Then press 2. This value is the mean of group data. Yes, it is correct, I have checked. Okay, then press AC again, shift 1, then press 4 again, then press 1. This 100 is value of all the summation of frequency, which is 100. Okay, then press AC, shift, then go on 1, then press 4. For standard deviation press 3. Okay, this value is standard deviation. Then I press equal. 258.45, this is the value of standard deviation. And we know variance, to calculate variance we need to square the standard deviation. 6680. Okay, at this end of this video I'll show you which numerical I have considered for this demonstration. Okay, and the last value which I have shown you, 66800, is this is variance. Okay, thank you for attending this class. I hope you learned something new. Thanks and bye.